This is the Joey Zero. It is Big Joe's smallest task support vehicle. It has an overall width of 29.5 inches, in addition to an overall length of 59.5. Now that translates to a turning radius of less than 5 feet. Entry into the operator's compartment is easy through the swing gates. Once on board, to your left, you have a tiller control handle, the hour meter, and a steering position indicator. On the right are your fingertip controls. These will raise and lower the front tray, in addition to the main compartment. And for additional safety, there is a foot switch on the floor of the compartment that needs to be depressed, in addition to an infrared sensor on the handle that will detect operator's presence. Now the front tray can be raised and lowered for worker convenience. It has a 200-pound capacity, but underneath there's another storage area for additional merchandise. That has a 250-pound capacity. The operator's compartment has a capacity of 300 pounds. Now the two 12-volt, 120 amp hour AGM maintenance-free batteries are charged by a 110-volt onboard charger. In the front of the vehicle, there is a blue spotlight, and in the rear, there is a red taillight to alert nearby personnel.